Alright, in today's tutorial, we are focusing on the third point on the factors to put into consideration while recording your videos. It is called screen or phone orientation. Screen or phone orientation in this very context describe how the recording device, that is the mobile phone, is held while recording your videos. Whether it is held in a vertical position or in a horizontal position or mode. Do you understand? So we have two types of mode regarding screen orientation in videography, and they include the following. Number one is landscape mode. The second one is a portrait mode. The landscape mode shows that the recording device is held in a horizontal format while recording the videos. This means that the output of a video recorded in this very format is going to come out in a 16:9 aspect ratio. Do you understand? Regarding the portrait mode, as its name implies, indicate that the recording device is held in a vertical position while recording the video. Do you understand? I will explain better what portrait and landscape mode is all about. Just pay attention. The platform you are to upload your videos after recording speaks volume to determine the mode you will use in recording the videos. This is because every platform has a unique aspect ratio her videos must have. Do you understand? The aspect ratio in this very context is the definition of the screen orientation we are talking about in this very video. So if you did not understand my explanation, then ask your question on the comment section. The basic aspect ratio for longer videos on YouTube is 16:9 aspect ratio. This means that the video was recorded in a landscape or horizontal mode. The perfect ratio for short videos on YouTube is 9:16. That means that the videos were recorded in a portrait or vertical mode like this. Do you understand? If you are creating a video for the TikTok platform, the best screen orientation for recording of the video is in a portrait or orientation or vertical mode, which is marked by 9:16 aspect ratio. Do you understand? TikTok has recently incorporated a 16:9 aspect ratio in their system. This means that you can actually upload a video recorded in a landscape mode on TikTok. Do you understand? If you are creating a video for a platform such like Facebook, which we are now, you are free to use the aspect ratio of 9:16, 1:1, 16:9 aspect ratio. The best aspect ratio for stories or race video is 9:16 aspect ratio, which is marked by portrait mode, meaning that you recorded the video positioning your phone like this. The video that you are watching me from now is recorded in a portrait mode. This means that it was recorded in 9:16 aspect ratio. For you to know the resolution best for a given platform, you have to check on the platform's settings or specification. Then you will get to know the ones suitable for the platform. Do you understand? So my point here is that always determine the aspect ratio ideal for a particular platform before you proceed with the video recording. Do you understand? Please note that you can actually navigate between aspect ratios in your editing application regardless of the mode which you recorded the videos with. Do you understand? Ensure the aspect ratio is decided before the editing commences properly. It is very much important, okay? Make sure you determine the aspect ratio before the editing commences properly. I believe you got my point clearly understood. Let me draw the curtain for today's teaching. We shall meet again in my next video, which is going to focus on video stability. Please don't forget to do the needful if this very video has impacted you with values. So I remain your boy. Remain blessed as we meet again.